back to another video. You are watching your favorite channel where you get to see latest information for your gadgets. And today we are going to talk about HP ProBook 6 triple pipe out here. Yes, talking about this variant, talking about 6 triple pipe. We can say that this variant or the ProBook series was specially designed for the corporate world out here. Yes, we already know that ProBook की बात करें, if you talk about HP ProBook, then there is definitely similarities out there in few things. Whereas you get to see that HP ProBook series corporate world design models out there. But when we talk about these gadgets, then they have got inbuilt Microsoft Office, inbuilt Windows operating system, TPM security chip system, and this variant has TPM security chip system 1.2 out there. Talking about the inbuilt Microsoft Office, then the pre-installed gadget from the company, if we talk about, then we can say that that gadget has got my Windows operating system 7 mostly, professional kit of 64-byte edition. But yes, gradually it can change. It has upgraded out there. Gradually upgradation has been seen. Talking about this variant, then we can say that it offers you a different variant in the processing system, in the chip system out there. It offers you AMD Phenomena 2 out there along with quad core processor. Yes, quad core processor could be seen out in this. And the same company resembles the chip system also, that is the AMD M8806G. So AMD's chip system processor out there is seen in this variant. You also get to see that this variant offers you a great range of specifications, great range of productivity out there. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the internal functions also. Talking about the internal components, let us talk about these internal functionalities. As we already know that chip system and processing is very important and plays a very important role, and AMD has been one of the another trustworthy versions. Like we have seen Intel's processing out there. So it is also one of the trustworthy processor out there which is being used by HP and various other gadgets. Now let us talk about the cache memory also, because cache memory, not just the cache memory, memory plays an important role in gadgets. Talking about the memory, then we can say that it offers you L2 cache memory of 2 MB. 2 MB is the internal stored RAM cache memory out here. Along with that, you get to have 4 GB installed RAM. Yes, if you talk about the installed RAM there, you get to have 4 GB installed RAM out there. Along with that, you also get to see that it is offering you a memory speed, a speed technology of 1333 megahertz, 1300 megahertz approximately speed out there. 1333 megahertz. Along with that, you also get to see that it offers you a RAM type of DDR3. Yes, RAM type of DDR3 is seen out in this variant, which is really amazing. Apart from that, you get to see that this kind of a variant, this kind of a version out there offers you a great range of storage, a great range of connectivity, a good processing out there. Now, when we are talking about this variant, then we cannot neglect about the maximum support size provided to the RAM system out there. If we talk about the RAM, that is random accessory memory, then there is a good support size provided to it, that is the maximum support sizes of 8 GB. Yes, you get to have 8 GB and there are 2 dedicated slots out there. But this slottation only works with DDR3 RAM type along with 1333 megahertz speed. So this has to be kept in mind that the way first RAM is, the same RAM has to be used in another version also. Talking about this variant, then we can say that hard drive is also important part, because talking about the storage, then not just the RAM but hard drive also plays an important part. Talking about this, we can say that it offers you 500 GB HDD storage. Yes, 500 GB HDD storage is seen out in the hard drive form. Since it is an HDD format, then spindle speed is a mandatory thing. Talking about spindle speed, let us talk about 7200 RPM speed. What is this 7200 RPM speed? This is the spindle speed offered to any gadget, or the speed out here which is offered to the gadgets out there for the processing inbuilt in it, we can say. A good output here out there. Talking about this variant, then we can say that this offers you a good optical drive technology. Like it's a portable drive technology, not the tray has to be attached out there. It is a DVD write up and read and write type portable device out there. Talking about this portable hard drive storage or the optical drive storage, how does it work? It definitely works with the another connectors out there. Along with that, you also get to see that they work very well with the harsh conditions like the humid, shock tolerance, vibrant tolerance out there. So they work really well with these harsh conditions or the environmental factors. Talking about this variant, let us talk about the display also. Talking about the display type, then we can say that it uses LED backlight anti-glance HD display. So this kind of a display is clearly set out in that way that it offers you LED display which has got backlight technology. Along with that, monitor featuring or the monitor out here offers you anti-glance and the display resolution is HD. So overall HD backlight anti-glance HD resolution display is seen out of this variant. This offers you a screen size of 36.6 centimeters. Yes, a screen size of 39.6 centimeters could be seen out here, along with great graphical processing. Talking about the graphics processing, then it offers you ATI, that is the Ent Mobility's Render's HD series out there. So this is one of the most trusted version of the graphical processor. As well as integrated webcam is there with stereo type speakers, stereo type microphones for this, and you get to have the audio input output jack, USB connectors, SD card readers, power connectors, a good resolution. So these kind of things will be seen out in this variant. Along with that, you get to see that the keyboard placed out here is a normal keyboard with a touch type variant in the mouse control gestures. As well as you get to see that it is offering you a good Wi-Fi connectivity, Bluetooth connectivity out there. Along with that, you get to see that it offers you a battery life, which is offering you approximately 5 to 6 hours work timing. It offers you 6 cell battery life, and that battery life has a capacity of 55 volts. 55 volts battery life with 5 to 6 hour work time could be seen out in this variant. Along with that, you get to see that this variant offers you inbuilt apps by HP, Microsoft, so that you have the inbuilt images and few other images or the few softwares out there. Now talking about this website gadget out there, let us visit our website where you get to have this variant in a very pocket friendly rate. Talking about this website, this is just at click.com. Yes, just at click.com is a website which offers you great range of products in your pocket friendly rates. Yes, you get to have your gadgets and pocket friendly rates. And this search icon helps you to search your favorite gadgets. Along with that, you also get to see that your gadgets out here can be customized. Yes, you can customize your gadgets according to your needs. Like whatever gadget you need, you can customize them. So let us search this gadget out here. This customizability option is available out for the gadgets which have the customizability option from the company itself. If a company is offering you some specifications, some customization option, then you can customize your gadgets. And let us search about this gadget which we were talking about. So this is the result out here, and we can see that there is a small description at the top, and you get to see a small description at the bottom also. Talking about this variant, then you get to see that there is a product type condition that is refurbished. So let us talk about this refurbished condition and let us see what are refurbished products all about. Talking about the refurbished products, or we can say the refurbished brand out here, we can see that refurbished and brand new are quite same products. They are similar like products out here, we can say that. So when we say brand new, what does this mean? This means that this is something absolutely newly like or new product out here directly from the company. Whereas refurbished means creating something newly like that, a pre-owned gadget that has been brought up in the market, making it again something brand new. Like this is what refurbished means. So talking about refurbished and brand new, does they differ in design, functionalities, anything else? No, they do not differ in their designs, they do not differ in their functionalities. They have the same functionality, design, test is out there, the capturing capacity, working, everything is same. But what differs out is the pathway which is involved in this. And when we talk about the pathway, then we can say that there is a pathway which includes base, mediator, and consumer. This is a common pathway. But for brand new, if we talk about brand new, then we can say that Base is the company which releases the gadget out. Yes, Base is the company which releases gadget out in the market. Whereas this marketplace, the mediator is the point bridge out here, which is included in company and the user out there. Talking about the company out there and the users, this marketplace is a vast space out here because there are a lot of change involved in this marketplace. So overall, we see the marketplace. Now, when we talk about this marketplace, this helps the user to collect their gadgets out there. They get the gadgets, they have the gadgets out there. Now, the user has that gadget, that pre-owned gadget is brand new gadget out here. Now, this pre-owned gadget, it wants to be resold. Now, the gadget is going to be resold by us. We are the users out here. Now, what happens? This user from brand new becomes the base for the refurbished product and wants to resell them. When we want to resell them, then it has to be checked that all the functionalities are being done properly or not. Because pre-owned gadgets are, we can say, once used product. Yes, they have been once used. Now they are brought up in the marketplace, vast place out here definitely. So marketplace. Now they have been tested and verified, brought up in the site, and now another user buys this product. Yes, now another user buys this product and is brought up in the market by first user to another user. Now, what does this differ? How does they differ? They differ in the testing sites. Yes, there is a difference in the testing site. Testing parameters are same, structure is same, everything is same. But difference lies out in the testing sites out there. Now, talking about the testing site, how does the testing site differs? Talking about the testing sites, then we can say that brand new products are tested within the company as well as various other sites. There are various sites where company tests is before bringing out into the marketplace. But what happens to the another users? What happens to another users out here? Pre-owned gadgets, or that is the refurbished products. They are tested, verified, and sold up on the same site which is responsible for testing it. If you have a site which where you are reselling it, they only have to test it, verify it, and resell that product. So this is what happens in the refurbished gadgets. Now, talking about refurbished gadgets and brand new gadgets, they are actually same in the structurality, functionalities, test is out here. So let us talk about the parameters which are involved in testing these gadgets because parameters plays an important role in every gadget. Talking about these parameters, we can say that there are a list of parameters which are classified basically into external and internal parameters. There are two basic parameters are there, external parameters and internal parameters. Talking about the external parameters, we can say that external parameters are nothing else but the gadgets or the external factors which are involved there. And when we classify them, we can say that they are actually the parameters uh, which we see through our eyes. Like external parameters does not require any component, equipments, robots, software. These are not required because they can be easily seen through eyes. Like if we talk about the design, then we can directly see it. We can compare the design. If we check about the scratches, if we talk about the buttons, functional keys, touchpad, mouse control, the arrows, volume button, even the pots. There are pots, whether the pot are working or not. These kind of things could be seen. The display type, camera, resolution, each of the things which can be directly checked out through the, we can say, gadgets. So these are the things. Apart from that, if we talk about this variant, then we can say that refurbished products external parameters are checked without any such softwares. Once it is classified, then it is moved on to the internal parameters. Talking about the internal parameters, we can say that internal parameters include nothing else but the internal functional keys, internal gadgets, internal softwares, internal elements, which are to be tested with robots, equipment, softwares. So they need some specialized things for their working. Now, once it is checked out, like you have to check the internal processor, graphical processor, video support system, cache memory, RAM, hard disk, the optical drive applicable, connectivity, Bluetooth, the internal display type, each and everything out there. So once they are verified, they are checked out, then we can say that they offer you a good range in the internal components. What would happen if there is any default? They have to be replaced, they have to be renewed with the original parts from the company, so they are in a good quality, they provide good service out there. Talking about this kind of variants, then we can say that they are classified and certified just like brand new. The way brand new is certified and is classified, that that is absolutely ready to use in the market, same way happens in the refurbished product. Now talking about the refurbished products and brand new, there are few differences, or we can say benefits out for refurbished products. Talking about the benefits, number one is the pocket friendly rate. You get to have pocket friendly rate out here. You get to see the pocket friendly rates. So what are these pocket friendly rates? These are nothing else, but we know that brand new products are actually expensive gadgets. They are slightly expensive, whereas you have refurbished products in a pocketable rate, that is a pocket friendly rate out here. Apart from that, if you talk about these two parameters, if we talk about these two functionalities, then we can say that brand new and refurbished have a difference in their pricing. So you get to see that the pricing difference allows you to have a good range of savings. Yes, you get to have a great range of savings out there. Since you have a savings, what would happen to the warranty period? Because we know brand new products offers you 1 year warranty out there. And pre-owned gadgets usually don't offer you warranty period, but if you have a category called refurbished, then you get to have 6 months warranty along with 7-day exchange policy. These are the two additional benefits of having refurbished products, because you get to have 6 months warranty and 7-day exchange policy also. Talking about these products, talking about these variants, we can talk about the site again, the site we were visiting out. Let us visit that first. We were at justatclick.com. Yes, we were at justatclick.com. This site is nothing else but a online website which allows you to have your favorite gadgets in your pocket friendly rates. And the name itself suggests just at click. Just at a click, you can get your favorite gadgets out there. Apart from that, if you talk about this website, then this website allows you to have customizability option. Now, what is this customizability option? This is nothing else but a option or a variant out here which allows you to customize your gadget accordingly. Yes, you can customize your gadget accordingly. You can customize the RAM, processor, storage, whatever things can be customized or have been customized, or the option is available for the gadget by the company. You can customize those things. Apart from that, you get to have COD out there. Yes, you get to have COD, and as well as you get to have free shipping. You get to have free shipping, COD. Since it's an online website, so you get to have an hassle free shopping out there. You will not be like contacting in much in, so that you can have a social distancing out there. So there is a hassle free shopping out there. Along with that, money back guarantee and online support system is provided out here, and you can search your gadget in the search icon, which helps to search your favorite gadgets in a very limited format. So you can visit our website for best pricing. Along with that, if you would like to order, you have the number in the description box, or you can go on website and check out your favorite gadgets for the best pricing. Till then, take care. I'll see you in the next video.